folks, what's happening? This is DJRockinRob, and today we're driving a train. This is not actually a 100% entertainment gig. This is a part of my day job. I work here at the museum during the day, and they're having a little Christmas party. They knew I drove trains back in Dallas, and they asked me if I could help out, and I said, like, sure, I can help out. I love it. But I thought this would be an interesting opportunity to show you guys just another one of the many things that we do to entertain our people. Take a look at this. Now, the train that I drove back in Dallas looked nothing like this. Nothing like this. I don't even want to tell you what I think about this. But here, take a look at what I used to drive. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get to work.
All right, listen up. Look this way, right over here. Please keep your hands and your feet inside the cart at all times. Absolutely, positively, do not stand up until we pull back into the station and come to a complete stop. You guys ready for a train ride? Yeah! Oh, you can do better than that. You guys ready for a train ride? Yeah! All aboard!
You're welcome. Have a nice afternoon.
Fine.